Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit World. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Mastercard with no impact on your credit score. Yes, you have heard it right. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that in this video I will take you on a tour of this Mastercard's application, as well as I will tell you all the perks, including the upsides and the downsides of this credit card. So do watch this video till the end in order to learn about this credit card and how to apply it completely. Also remember to like this video, it helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. Thank you so much. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here, right in front of you, here is an amazing opportunity just for you guys. So right here you can see that they said that this is a perfect credit card for people who have faced financial challenges and struggled to get their credit in the past. Applying for this credit will not affect your credit score. So yes, when you apply for this, it will not affect your credit score. It will not have any sort of impact on your credit score. So keep that in mind. But yes, once you accept the offer, they will do a hard pull. But if you accept the offer, and that hard pull after that will not change their decision. So you can get this credit card with pretty much any score. And what I mean by any score, starting from the worst score in this world till the excellent one. So yes, you can do that. And they claim that it takes less than a minute to see if you are pre-qualified. Yes, they do say it's a pre-qualified credit card, but remember, it's an unsecured credit card, means you won't have to pay a single penny, or you won't have to give a single penny as a collateral, because you know the secure cards are the cards where you give a bank, for example, $300, and then they will give you a credit card having your own money in it, means $300. But this one is unsecured, means all you need to do, you just need to apply and they will give you a credit card without giving them any money. And remember, it's a Mastercard, so if you even buy anything, for example, if you buy a cell phone with it, your cell phone will be pre-insured, so it means you won't have to buy insurance for your cell phone either. So keep that in mind. Now let's see how the application looks like, and before that, let's see and talk about the features. So this credit card is known as Surge credit card. Yes, this financial institution has been around from several years and is helping a lot of people building their credit, and it's also working with the people who have the worst credit in this entire world. So yes, if you have bad credit and the worst credit, you can get this credit card. It's pretty easy, but let's just talk about the card features first. They said that monthly credit reporting, yes, they do all the major credit bureaus such as Experian, Equifax and TransUnion. Yes, and whenever you make the payment, they do report to the credit bureaus, and it helps you build your credit, because your payment history is one of the major parts of your credit report. So if your payment history has been reported to the credit bureau, you are good to go. You can build your credit really rapidly. So now let's talk about the second one. The second one is credit limit increases. Yes, they do free automatic account reviews for credit limit increase. Yes, they will increase your credit limit, and they check it after 2 months, like after every 2 months, and after reviewing your payment history and your credit statement, they will increase your credit limit. So this is a great feature that they have. Now the third one is free credit score. Of course, pretty much every credit card company is offering you a free credit score, so this is something that is not really important to talk about in my point of view, but they do have that feature on their app. They do the account notifications such as customer your notifications to better manage your spendings and payments. So yes, whenever you make a purchase or do anything, so of course they will send you a text or an email about your transactions, or if someone is trying to steal money or trying to use your card, so of course you will get notified about that transaction. There is zero fraud liability, so it means that you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges. This is an amazing feature. Pretty much every credit card company is doing that. Credit limit, of course, card offers for an authentic Mastercard with a credit limit between 300 and 750. Yes, they can give you a credit limit between $300 to $750, and this is a great opportunity for the people who have worst or bad credit. Now the APR is a bit high because this is the card to build your credit, and for the people who are building their credit or who have bad or worse credit. So of course it ranges from almost 26% to 30%, so keep that in mind. Does have an annual fee starting from $75 to $99, and it says note all pre-qualified offers are based on credit worthiness. So keep that in mind. They will do a soft pull to your credit, but it will not impact your credit score at all, and then you can get this credit card within next 5 to 7 business days. Now let's talk about their application. Their application is pretty simple. They have a pre-qualification tool. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, and if you have an active checking account, you can click on yes right here, and then you have to have one, remember that, and then your zip code, and of course I certify, then I'm US resident, and then of course you need to consent with their terms and condition. And then when you click on see my card offers, they will ask you for the last 4 of your social security number, and last 4 social security number means they will only do a soft pull. It means it will not impact your credit score, and right after that they will give you a pre-qualification offer. If you click on it, as soon as you click on accept, they will do a hard pull to your credit. It will not change their decision, but remember, it's a general requirement. They will do it, but right here as you can see, it's a pre-qualification tool today without affecting your credit score, so keep that in mind. You can get accepted for this with pre-qualification with no effect to your credit. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember to like this video. It helps the channel and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.